Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you what parts are needed for the Medela Symphony breast pump and how to assemble it and to be able to use it. So one of the things, this is one of the machines you might find if you're returning to work. And the first thing you need here is the breast shield and the connector. Sometimes you get the breast shield and a connector as a two-piece. In this case, it is actually this top portion is called the breast shield and the connector is referred to that. And what you need to do is you need this is how it works. I'm gonna open this here. As you can see, this is where the yellow portion is where the milk flows down through. So as you can see, there is this you snap these white membranes onto these yellow valves. These are the valves. So the valves goes onto one of these rounded side, and the other side is empty. Actually, here you actually insert the tube, which insert the pale yellow ends of the tubing into the openings of the connector here. So what I mean by that is this is the tube I'm referring to. This is a tube that connects the machine to this breast shield of yours. So you need to connect it like this. You just need to insert it into this hole. So when you're done and you have the pieces assembled, it would look something like this. So you would pump such that your breast would be at the breast shield, and the pumping machine is pumping air into this hole, and the milk is flowing down through these yellow valves. You can while cleaning, you can take this valve off and clean it, and also replace these um, white membranes if you need to. So to get started, let's step back. So in order to do this, you need this tube. This tube has this protective membrane and the membrane cap. So this is actually the membrane cap. So it will probably come assembled like this in the box. If you buy, you just need to buy the kit for like, I don't know, it's probably in the range of $20 to $40, somewhere in that range. So if you buy this, you put this thing in here, snap it. You have to make sure you close this lid, because if you don't close it and the machine is on, there's not enough air actually hitting to this cap, and so the suction power is not that high. So in order to have the best effect, you should make sure this is snapped closed. You can either pump both together or just one side. So in this case, I'm just showing you one, but it's the same with the other side. So also this tube, there's in this tube you can disconnect this side. There's this thick yellow portion here, and on the other end, as you can see, there is a smaller portion. The smaller portion is what goes into the breast shield. Okay, and that's pretty much it. You just need this kit, and you just need to know how this this breast shield works, and it's a very simple thing. The bottom portion is where you put in the yellow valve, and then one portion, it looks like you can screw a bottle here, but really all it does, it's just an opening for the tube to be connected. So once you have that, you connect your bottle in here and you can start pumping. And to start pumping, as you guys probably know, this is a two-phase machine. So it first starts with a simulator and then an actually pumps. So if you turn it on, as you can see, this is going up and down. So since I have the cap here, it's hitting the cap, and that's how the suction happens. So you close this, it's on. So, and this, it also has settings for the how strong of it strong you want to make the machine be. So in this case, you can change the knob, and that's pretty much it. And this is the two phase. You use this button to switch between the phases, and then this is just the on and off button. So it's very simple to use, but all you need to know is you need to buy that kit that would have these few pieces you need. So you need a breast shield, you need the connector, and sometimes these both come connected together. As you can see in mine, I actually don't have them split. It is one piece, or it could be a two-piece thing like this. You need the membrane, you need the valve. The membrane is this white portion that I showed you, and the yellow valve. You need a bottle, and you need a lid to close the bottle, and you need this tubing, you need the protective membrane and the membrane cap. So if you buy the kit for the Symphony breast pump, it should come with these pieces that you need, and it's very easy to get started with. So at home I actually do also have the Medela Freestyle, and this is what I use at home. It's pretty good also, but the parts needed for that is different from the one for the Symphony breast pump. I can quickly show you the parts for that. There's the, you first need to put the thing together. So for that it comes like this. There's like, this is 3 pieces. I take it apart to clean. You need to snap on this lid. So you snap these 3 pieces together. You put the breast shield. You connect the bottle down here, and you connect the tubing over here, and that's pretty much it. You just need, again, this is the main part for if you have the Medela Freestyle, and this is the tube for the Freestyle. Let me show you. This is how the Freestyle tube is. Again, this is also, you can do 2 together, and or if you could just pump on one side, where you just push this back into this one, so that way you're pumping on, you're only using one pump. And that's it. Hope you find this video useful. I just wanted to demonstrate how these things work together. Thank you.